guys probably don't know about, sorry. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shrestha Gupta, and this video is going to be a little different because like मैंने जब से अपना channel start किया, I haven't done any personal sort of videos. Like you guys have been watching my videos all about fashion, beauty and makeup and all. So I thought why not make some videos like जिसमें आप और मैं बात कर पाएंगे. I will be talking in videos, you will be talking in the comment section below. Sorry for that. Okay, so I have googled some random questions that I'll be answering today. Very common questions so that you guys start knowing me much more. Okay, so this video is going to be quite long, so grab some drink like I have done. Cheers. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so starting with the very first and basic question, what is my name? So my name is Shrestha Gupta. And second question is when. So आप ये मत सोचना कि मैं कहाँ से क्या questions पढ़ रही हूँ. I have write it down on my diary. I have written all the questions from Google. So when is your birthday? My birthday is basically on 1st of August. Where were you born? I am born and brought up in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Are you afraid of the dark? Yes. That I sleep with the lights on. I am scared of darkness like सबको पता है. Are you left or right-handed? I am left-handed. That is why I always use my this hand to do my makeup. अगर आप लोगों ने notice किया हो तो. Are you on time or always late? I like being on time. और मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं टाइम पे रहूँ, बट कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि मैं लेट हो जाती हूँ. And that's okay. Can you curl your tongue? Let me try this. No. Coffee or tea? I am a tea lover. Like मुझे चाय इतनी पसंद है कि रात में भी अगर मैं सो रही हूँ, अगर आप मुझे जगाओगे कि श्रेष्ठा, do you want to have some tea? I'll be saying yes because I just love tea. I don't like coffee much, but हाँ मैं पी लेती हूँ occasionally. Do you believe in ghosts? Of course there are ghosts. Let me not get deep into it. My father has उन्होंने देखा है अपने स्कूल टाइम पे, so he keeps on telling us like हाँ उन्होंने देखा है. I am not going into the details because I'm scared of ghosts. So, do you have any piercings or tattoos? I have only piercing on my ears. I am planning to get piercing on my nose, maybe. And no, I don't have any tattoos. Do you have siblings? Yes, I do. I have an elder brother and a younger sister, मैं बीच वाली जिसको कोई importance नहीं मिलती. Just kidding. Do you love sports? Yes, so much. I used to participate in all kind of sports during school time, and yes, I was a captain of my school team in basketball. Yes, so I love sports. Does your name have a special meaning? Yes, my name is a Sanskrit word and it means number one or the best one. So yeah. How tall are you? How tall? I mean, I am somewhere between 5'4", in between 5'4" and 5'5". So I tell people that I am 5'5" because I don't like them telling 5'4.5" something. It gets weird. So yeah. What's your zodiac sign? So what's your zodiac sign? My zodiac is Leo according to my date of birth. But according to my pet name, my zodiac sign is Libra. Because my pet name starts with R and my father tells me that I am Libra. But I don't like being called Libra as a zodiac sign because I think my personality matches very much with the Leo. I don't know, I just feel like. So I am Leo because I consider myself a Leo. Okay, who is your celebrity crush? Most of you are going to laugh, but yeah, my celebrity crush is Salman Khan. I just love him, like him beyond anything, but yeah, I like him. What is a fashion trend that you really glad went away? So, I don't like guys wearing bell bottoms. This is my personal thing, and I don't like neon shades at all. There was a time that I was so much into neon that I used to buy everything that has some neon colors on them, but according to the time, I just hate neon, and I think neons are not that much in right now. Okay, so very few questions left. Why you started your YouTube channel? Okay, so this is going to be my favorite question, because I like being in front of the camera all the time. Like मैं बचपन से I was always aiming to become something that उससे मैं famous हो पाऊँ. That was little childish. So yeah, that was my thing. And I like being in front of the camera during college days. I used to do photo shoots. College के बाद भी मैंने काफी किए हैं. So yeah, I very much like being in front of the camera. That is why. And also I like expressing. मतलब I can express myself when I am alone. मतलब कोई कमरे में नहीं होता है तो मैं ज़्यादा बड़बड़ बोलती हूँ. But I am very shy kind of person. I don't, मतलब मैं इतना खुल के बात नहीं कर पाती हूँ, strangers हो या कोई भी हो. I just get bored. So yeah, और कैमरे के सामने मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ, कुछ भी कैसे भी बोल सकती हूँ. So yeah, that is why I love expressing myself. And मतलब अगर मुझे कुछ आता है, so I love teaching people. I love telling them that how to do it. I just keep telling people that this is right, this is wrong. It is up to them whether they take it seriously or not. But yeah, that is my thing. So I thought, why not start my own YouTube channel so that I can share all of these three things in just one channel. So yeah, that is why I am here. Who thinks you are beautiful when you wake up in the morning? Oh my god. Okay, so he is my father, and he मतलब ऐसा सबके पापा करते होंगे. He thinks I'm the most beautiful girl in the world, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं, उनको कौन बताए. But he thinks that's cute. Okay, few questions are basically on this or that. So summer holidays or winter holidays, I used to like winters like so much, but this year I'm not liking them. I don't know why, but I'm not liking winters at all. So yeah, I love summer holidays also because summers में कम कपड़े कैरी करने पड़ते हैं, winters में आपको भर भर के कपड़े कैरी करने पड़ते हैं. So yeah, that is why. Shy or outgoing? Shy, ऐसा तो मैंने बताया है. Free spirit or likes routine? I don't like routine. मतलब अगर मुझसे कोई कह के काम कराएगा तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. वही काम मैं खुद से कभी भी कर सकती हूँ. I like being, मतलब मुझे कोई कुछ कहे ना, I can do it by myself. So yeah, I am free spirit. मैं कोई particular routine follow नहीं कर सकती कि सुबह 6 बजे उठना है, रात को 10 बजे सोना है. No, that is not my thing. Organized or creatively messy? I am a messy person in the heart. I think because मैं कभी भी कुछ भी organize नहीं करती हूँ. कभी कभी मन होता है तो कर लेती हूँ, and साल में 1-2 बार मेरी अलमीरा केवल साफ होती है. अदरवाइज इट इज लाइक बस मैं सब ऐसे ऐसे भरती रहती हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक, मतलब आई लाइक इट ऑब्वियसली, हु डजंट लाइक बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, बट नो, मतलब मुझे इतना इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना कि एक एक को फोल्ड करके उस पर रखना. I don't sitting at one place for so long and folding my clothes and keeping them on a rack or something. No, that is not my thing. Sorry. Outspoken or diplomatic? No, I am not a diplomatic person at all. मुझे अगर आपके बारे में कुछ भी अच्छा लगेगा, I will say straightforwardly. I don't like being diplomatic. I don't know why people pretend to be good on your face, but they are the people that will be doing back bitching at your back. I don't like those people. मैं straightforward हूँ, मैं मुंह पे बोलती हूँ. But I watch my words that इतनी भी rude ना हो जाऊँ कि किसी को बहुत ही ज्यादा बुरा लग जाए. But yeah, I like being outspoken. स्नो और बीच, मैंने दोनों ही नहीं देखी हैं, बट इफ आई गेट अ चांस देन आई वुड लव टू गो एंड वॉच स्नोफॉल. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप आप लोग को मजा आई होगी. एंड इफ यू गाइज वॉन्ट me to answer some more questions, comments down below, so I will probably answer all of them. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you liked my video, please go and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.